In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Fortnite account. So if you want to add two-factor authentication to make your account more secure, then what you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and then you're just going to head over to epicgames.com. Now, Epic Games are the creators of Fortnite, and that's why we need to head over to this website. And in the top right-hand side, just click on the sign in button. So now you'll need to sign into your Epic Games account. You can either use the email address and password, or you can sign in with one of your linked social media accounts. Once you are logged into your account, just click on your profile name in the top right hand side. From the drop down menu, select account. From the left-hand navigation, click on Password and Security, and then now we have access to the two-factor authentication setup. So you have three different options that you can use to set up two-factor authentication. You can either use an application that's usually downloaded on your phone, you can set up two-factor authentication from an email address, or you can just use an SMS text message on your phone. So probably the easiest one to set up is email, so I'm just going to click on Setup next to this, and that's going to send a security code over to your registered email account. So if you now head over to your email account, you'll find this code like so. So I'm going to copy this and then head back over to the Epic Games account and paste that code in. Now all you need to do is click on Enable Email Authentication, and just like that, we've now set up two-factor authentication on our Fortnite account. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.